Viewers, Libya has the largest oil reserves in Africa. Libyan economy depends upon oil. Now both the parties to Libyan conflict, GNA and LNA, they accuse each other of trying to capture oil reserves of Libya. LNA accused Turkey that Turkey is after Libyan oil. On the other hand, GNA accused the countries backing Haftar that these countries and Haftar, they want to actually occupy oil-rich areas and control the oil of Libya. Now, how much oil does Libya have, viewers? Where are these oil-rich areas? Who is controlling oil infrastructure of Libya? And what sort of stakes does Europe have in oil infrastructure of Libya, viewers? Firstly, viewers, as I told, largest oil reserves in Africa, 48 billion barrels of proven oil reserves that are in Libya. Then daily production capacity in 2010, it was 1.6 million barrels per day. 1.6 million barrels per day production capacity, it's a big number. And Europe has huge stakes in this production, viewers, because European companies, they are working here in this sector of production of oil, viewers. Eni, Italian company, it is working here in collaboration with NOC, National Oil Corporation of Libya, and Eni is the largest oil producer in Libya, viewers. Then second company, Total, it is a French company, it is also working in collaboration with NOC. Then companies, viewers, from Spain, Austria and Norway, they are also working in production sector here, viewers. Then, viewers, oil exports of Libya, 85% of Libyan oil exports, they end up in European markets. So most of Libyan oil, it is going to Europe, viewers. Now, viewers, oil-rich areas, most of oil-rich areas, they are in northeast. Sirte Basin, it is called, this region, Oil Crescent, it is also called. This oil crescent, Sirte Basin, it has 85% of proven oil reserves of Libya. Now this area, Sirte Basin, it is controlled by LNA and LNA aligned forces. Secondly, viewers, the oil infrastructure. Libya has 6 oil refineries. Only one is in western Libya near Zawiya, and the remaining 5 are in eastern and northeastern Libya under the control of LNA and LNA aligned forces. 6 oil storage areas, only 2 in western Libya near Zawiya, and the remaining 4 are again in eastern and northeastern areas. So Haftar forces, Haftar aligned forces, they are controlling much of oil areas, oil-rich areas, oil facilities, oil reserves, viewers. That is why, viewers, I believe that this war will go on until and unless there is an agreement between GNA and LNA regarding these oil-rich areas and oil infrastructure, which is under the control of LNA and LNA aligned forces. GNA will never leave these areas to LNA, viewers, and now GNA is far away from these areas. They'll have to take control of Tarhona, then Bani Walid, then Nesma, then from Misrata to the east of Misrata, Sirte, then they'll enter here. So a long way to go, viewers. Either this war will go on until GNA gets its share of these oil reserves and oil facilities, or there will be some agreement between GNA and LNA. Let's see what happens. Thanks for watching.